Hey guys, it's Bill Competition Cars. So now we're going to go over the interior on my 1965 Eldorado. Very nice, clean interior. This is not a nut and bolt restored car. Looks like someone took a really nice original car, made some nice improvements on it, did some interior work, some paint work, wheels and tires, did an engine out. There's pictures of the engine being out, suspension. We spent thousands of dollars doing service work, repairing the air conditioning, things like that. But let's start with this door panel here. Decent, not perfect. Little cut right there and a little repair right there. Some patina on this bezel here. Some patina on that mirror control. So again, not perfect, but again, you look at it, it looks good. Don't get me wrong. I just don't want to overhype the car. No rust under there. This little piece here is could use some attention. The little trim is stitching's come off, so that can be maybe restitched or glued. Just want to bring that to your attention. Carpet's nice, dash is nice, steering wheel's nice, seats are nice. These are vinyl, they're not leather. Again, it's a convertible. Honestly, I think with the vinyl it'll last for a very long time compared to leather, so I think that's an okay. I mean, the purists might want leather, but shouldn't be a deal breaker. Still looks good. Very attractive color combination. All the power windows work. When we do the driving video, we will go over each item. It's got air, the air works. The radio, I like the original radios in these cars. I hate aftermarket radios. This radio takes a long time to power up, but I drove it earlier today, did some pictures. Didn't work at first. On the way there, it's about a 2-minute ride there, 2.5 minute ride back. It started working on the way back, picking up just basic stations. I don't think the antenna works. We'll triple check that too. So again, we're not nut and bolt restoring cars here. Can't make every single thing work, but we try to get the brunt of things right and standing tall and looking good and working like it should. And if something doesn't work, I'm just going to disclose it and tell you, so there's no surprises. I mean, these are, I'm selling 40, 50, 60-year-old cars. So they're not going to be perfect unless they're concourse restored cars. And then you're talking about, 6 figures. So very, very respectable. Let's go around the driver's side, or from the driver's side to the passenger side. Again, beautiful body, beautiful chrome, paint, awesome wheels and tires. And this is a car you could just leave just like it is, drive it, enjoy it. It's really in great condition. It's just not perfect as far as if you're looking for perfection, or a 10-point car or a number 1 car. I can tell you, everybody that has seen this car in person has just gone bonkers over it as far as the condition. No rust. This side's fine as far as the door panel goes. No stitching coming off on that. Again, just a little patina here and there, nothing crazy. A lot of this car is original. Like I said, some improvements were done. Some stuff was left original. The car's showing 97,000 miles. We believe that's the right miles on the car. There's a ton of paperwork with this car, guys. There's tons of pictures with the motor out, engine out, suspension apart. So somebody really took the time to improve it to where it was a good, solid, drivable car, which it is. And then we took it to the next level, cosmetically to the best we could, and mechanically. When I got the car, the air was not working. There was a series of things that needed attention. We have the receipts for that. Did a service and whatnot. So check it out. Any questions, put them in the comment section. Stay tuned for a top operation video. We will have to cover the trunk. I do have the original wheels and tires that will go with this car. So we're going to photograph those, get those cleaned up and photograph those as well. So stay tuned, guys, and have a great day.